Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Welcome to lecture number 6 of Pakistan Studies for grade 9. Today, topic is continuity of the initial problems of Pakistan that face from the very beginning, from the very first day after 1947. उसी की ये कंटिन्यूटी है उसमें आज हमारा जो लास्ट टॉपिक है geographic and defense problem है. Now student, open your Pakistan studies book, open page number 65. Hurry up, open page number 65 of your Pakistan studies book. Page number 65. This is page number 65 of your Pakistan studies book. Open it. आपके पास हाइलाइटर होनी चाहिए अपनी, जो इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड्स हैं, डेट्स हैं, वो आप हाईलाइट करेंगे उससे. अगर आपके साथ पेन वगैरह या पेंसिल होनी चाहिए, इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स वगैरह लिखनी है उससे, मीनिंग जो डिफिकल्ट है वो लिखनी है. नाउ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम geographic and defense problem. Geographically, Pakistan has great importance. Why? Geographically, Pakistan has great importance. Why? Anyone now? Okay. Because it is located in such part of the world where it is connected with China and India on one side. Why? Because China and India is connected with one side, and on the other side Afghanistan and Iran is connected. Look at the map. This is the map of Pakistan. Data one-sided. China and India is located here. Here is China, and here India is located. On other side, Iran is located, and this side Afghanistan is located. In the south of Pakistan, located Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea here. China. Here is China. Which country? China. In northeast China. India is located in north, also in east. In east, India is located. In northwest, Afghanistan is located. Northwest Afghanistan. In southwest, here Iran is located. Got it? This is another reason why geographically Pakistan has great importance, because junction of Central Asia and South Asian country. Another reason for its importance is that Pakistan is located on the junction of Central Asia and South Asia. Now the issue arises, the problem arises. Pakistan was worried from past day. Why worried Pakistan? Because why? Because India was between the East and West Pakistan. Which country was located between the East and West Pakistan? India. And in that time, the relation of Pakistan and India was not good. That's why Pakistan was worried from the first day. Another, due to defense problem, after 1947, in the division of military assets, the war equipment with Pakistan was equal to none. But due to day-night struggle of that time of Pakistan government and Qadim allocated the greater part of the budget to the defense to strengthen the country defense as possible. Now moving toward page number 65. Open your book, page number 65. Geographic and defense problem. Geographically, Pakistan has great importance because it is located in such part of the world where it is connected with China, India on one side and on other side with Afghanistan and Iran. In addition, Pakistan is located on the junction of Central Asia and South Asia, thus its importance further increase. Here you can see in the map. This is the map of Pakistan. On one side here China and India is located, and on other side Iran and Afghanistan is located. Pakistan is worried from the first day because here uh, between East and West Pakistan, here this was West Pakistan and Bangladesh was East Pakistan in that time. ये पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा था ईस्ट पाकिस्तान जो आजकल बांग्लादेश है, फिर ये हमसे सेपरेट हो गया 1971 में। तो इसी के दरमियान ये कितना फासला है, टोटल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट पाकिस्तान 1600 किलोमीटर। ये भी था, लेकिन इसके अलावा ये प्रॉब्लम ये था कि इनके दरमियान इंडिया था। That's why Pakistan was worried from the first day. Another reason for its importance that one-sided India and China is located, other side Iran and Afghanistan is located. But another reason for its importance that junction of Central Asian countries and South Asia. You can see Pakistan is as a junction here from Afghanistan. We connected through the car countries, Central Asian Republic. यहाँ पर ये अफगानिस्तान है, इसके बाद जो होंगे ये पांच कंट्री हैं, इसी से फिर हम कनेक्ट होते हैं और फिर वहाँ पर रशिया एंटर होते हैं। तो एज ए जंक्शन कनेक्टेड है, एज ए वे है, किस चीज़ के लिए? सेंट्रल एशियन रिपब्लिक के लिए। और इसी तरह जो हमारे साथ जो कंट्री हैं साउथ एशियन कंट्री हैं, नेपाल है, भूटान है, मालदीव है, श्रीलंका है, इसी की तरह ये उनको कनेक्ट करता है, ये सारी कंट्रीज को। ये नाम याद रखिए, सेंट्रल एशियन रिपब्लिक्स, पार्ट सेंट्रल एशियन कार्स, कजाकिस्तान, किर्गिस्तान, उज्बेकिस्तान, Turkmenistan, here Turkmenistan, not Uzbekistan repetition, Turkmenistan and Tajikistan, part Central Asian republics, and here South Asia, South Asian countries, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and Maldives. Pakistan acts as a junction. In addition, a junction of Central Asia and South Asia, thus its importance increased further. Pakistan was worried for the defense of her boundaries from the very first day because there was only the distance of 1600 kilometers between East and West Pakistan. But there was India. I already explained this sentence that Pakistan was worried from the first day. Why worried? Because uh, the distance between the East and West Pakistan was 1600 kilometers. But in East and West Pakistan, which country was in between these two, East and West Pakistan? India. And in that time, the relation of Pakistan and India was not too good. That's why Pakistan worried from the very first day. Pakistan was not in good relation with India due to different causes. Besides, Pakistan was not strong economically and militarily. Modern weapons, airplanes, and marine plans and other war equipment in Pakistan were equal to none, and the new government was in constant struggle to strengthen the country defense as possible. Now moving toward economic problems. uh, Newly independent state, Pakistan mostly consisted of economically backward and underdeveloped area. After existence, the agriculture system here in Pakistan was outdated. Before partition, the Hindus, with the blessing of British government, had acquired complete monopoly in the trade and commerce. How monopoly? How acquired the Hindus, with the blessing of British government, acquired complete monopoly? Because here, in the division of industries, here after independence 1947, total industries in subcontinent were 921. Remember how many industries here in subcontinent? Total 921. In this total industries 921, total share of Pakistan was 34. Remember again, total industries were 921. Pakistan share was, the major industries were also in Indian territories, but government with great responsibility control the critical condition and give the country stability. Now open page number 66. Economic problems. The new government of Pakistan had to provide the economic stability of the country. Stability to people along with the completion of the political sketch. The areas given to Pakistan in partition were backward in area except some districts. The areas given to India in partition were what? Were industrial area. There was lack of industries in these areas. Which areas? In Pakistan. That only 34 industries were came as a share of Pakistan in total 921 industries. That's why the economic position became worse. Political crisis and arrival on the refugees further disturbed the situation. Economic stability led to political stability of the country. In direct relation, economic stability is direct relation with political stability, and economic instability led to country politically instability. That's why in that time political crisis arise in Pakistan because of what? Economic instability. Country is in the position of economic instability. So here political crisis arise, and further the process of refugees here for the rehabilitation and other further disturb the situation. But the government with great responsibility control the critical economic condition and give the country stability. नई गवर्नमेंट पाकिस्तान के लिए क्या था? उसको इकोनॉमिक स्टेबल करना था along with the completion of political sketch. जो एरिया पाकिस्तान को दिए गए थे पार्टीशंस में, वो क्या थे? डेट्स वर बैकवर्ड एरिया. The areas given to Pakistan in partition were what? Backward in agriculture except some districts. क्या थी वो agriculture यहाँ से वो backward थी. But the area given to India in the partition were industrial. वहाँ पर industries थी. Already I explained that कितनी industries थी partition के वक्त यहाँ पर 921, और इसमें से पाकिस्तान के हिस्से में कितने आए? 34। बिसाइड दिस, यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियल की जो लैक थी, कमी थी, लैक मीन कमी, यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान की। इसके साथ साथ क्या हुआ, पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस राइज हुई। मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया था, जब इकोनॉमिक अनस्टेबिलिटी हो कंट्री में, तो यहाँ पर हम फिजिक्स में पढ़ते हैं डायरेक्ट रिलेशन। तो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम का डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है, इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी का डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी के साथ। जब इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी होगी तो कंट्री पॉलिटिकली स्टेबल होगा, और जब कंट्री अनस्टेबल होगा इकोनॉमिक लिहाज से, इकोनॉमिक, तो वहां पर पॉलिटिकल अनस्टेबिलिटी, वहां पर पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस थी। और इसकी बावजूद पर जो अराइवल थी यहाँ पर महाजरीन की, also disturbed the situation, the economic problems, created economic problems for Pakistan. But the government with great responsibility controlled the critical economic condition and gave the country stability. That's the end of this topic. होमवर्क के लिए आप लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इनिशियल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, याद करें। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।